ki khubor ki babnya ka Shillong kala sakhi ya ka jingpin I Padba ya ki Trophi jongka Indian Oil Durand Cup ka bashis pa lai pusau ha State Convention Center ka balong ru kum ka Jingsdang ya ka program Pynbyrngia ha ki Surok ha keleng ki benta jongka jela Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma haringkat bat ki he sipai bat ki he sarkar kila kawe lama man sedang ya ka program man le kemen halor ke jingkala jong ke jela kum ka limpung jong ki jingele kai sports shu usang ma ula penpau halor ke jingbai tingka ka bahe na ka benta ki jingtei ki bakentup ya ka jingtei ya ka stadium yele kai football ka bahe tam ha kari hamau khanu kumshi benta jong ka jingbu thong man penlong ya ka Shillong ka nongba jong ka jingele kai football hakari.
This is the stadium that our sports minister was mentioning to you just now. And this is, the work has been allotted. The work will start, as mentioned, maybe in a week's time. Because of the rain conditions and all, but we expect that by 2027 we should be able to complete this stadium. And I would like to reiterate that this is going to be the largest dedicated football stadium in the country. Because other stadiums have got multiple facilities, this is a dedicated football stadium, and it will be, as of now, it is the largest football stadium, dedicated football stadium in the country. Next.
Usambot Menteri Rangba ke jela ubas